friend, come. How much for this one?
15 naira fa.
How much for this one?
15 naira, 15 naira.
What's up this one?
100 naira fa gaskiya.
This one na.
20 naira gaskiya ne.
So if I chop there, this now how much?
Test and 15 naira, 15 naira.
Hey, why chop?
I go buy what? I go buy.
I mean if I chop one like this, how much?
15 naira, 15 naira.
I mean for only one chop na 50 naira.
Gaskiya wala di 15 naira fa. 50 naira.
So if I chop two like this, now how much?
Kai wala 100 naira gaskiya ne.
What did they carry do?
I dey plant am for farm fa.
You dey put the salt?
I sweet well.
Why they think the salt is salt?
I put them for salt gaskiya ne.
After you mix it with sugar,
No, ba sugar
you get
gaskiya.
them to taste salt and sugar. You dey put them for water, eh?
Gaskiya I put them for water make I finish it fa. Gaskiya ne.
You dey flush them na toilet.
I know the flush am. I say finish gaskiya.
Okay, you dey flush them.
Yawa.
Hey.
How much that I want to buy fa?
Man, just chop this one and straight in. The other one be in the talk.
Testing, no make sell for suya fa. Testing for Tegano.
I even not test you, you know me.
Ba testing gaskiya ne, ba testing.
The people won't get like this with you, okay?
My Tegano dey sweet fa.
Come the bitter. What you na they put me bitter like that?
I put them for water make I finish it fa. Gaskiya ne, put them for water.
The one na sure back guy too sweet. I die for your thing.
I want to finish my Tegano.
Okay, your team makes sense. If they say I get money, I for buy your team makes sense. Well.
I say what thing? I no get that for money.
See you next Friday.
Come here, I go buy this thing today.
Huh?
Alright, thank you very much for watching that Funny Love Nation entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday. See you on Friday. Please subscribe.